How to add contacts on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add contacts on WhatsApp whether you are using iPhone or Android. It's the same process, so follow along it. So first thing first, just open up your WhatsApp application and make sure you are currently signed into account, and from over here just click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, which is a green box, and just tap on this new contact option, and you need to enter your first name and last name of that particular person. So before you do that, just make sure you enter the correct phone number from which that particular person has provided. Or you can also just directly tap on this QR code button at the top right corner to directly scan their QR code to directly add them to your contacts. So for now, I'll simply show you from this phone number over here. And once you enter your phone number as well as their full name, that is first name and last name, and if there's phone number is not connected to WhatsApp will show you something like this, that is, this phone number is not on WhatsApp. So you just have to invite them to WhatsApp and then simply click on save, and just like that this will be added to your friends list. So thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.